How to log into Sweat Wallet. You can log in through your Sweatcoin app if you already have it. Here's an example. Open your Sweat Wallet and click Continue with Sweatcoin. Wait for a moment and it will connect to your Sweat Wallet app automatically. Wait again and there you have it. You connect your Sweatcoin to your Sweat Wallet app. Here's another example that I used to log into my Sweat Wallet. And it's also accessible for some iOS users. In my case, I proceed to log in through Google account. After you click it, wait for a bit moment. And there you have it. You can now enjoy your Sweat Wallet app. Now that you've done connecting it, you can use your Sweat Wallet as much as you want. And that's basically it. Thank you.